You've just wrapped up a long day, the perfect time to unwind with some Valorant, ready to hit those clutch headshots and climb the ranks with your squad. You click that icon, maybe you even hear the familiar startup sound, your anticipation building. But then nothing, a black screen, an inexplicable error message, or the game simply refuses to acknowledge your existence, that soul-crushing moment when your tactical shooter fix is denied before it even begins is a nightmare far too many gamers, especially Valorant players, have experienced. It's frustrating, isolating, and leaves you wondering what went wrong. But before you succumb to the rage and consider throwing your monitor out the window, take a deep breath in this comprehensive guide for helms. We're diving into the most effective up-to-date solutions to get your Valorant launching smoothly again. We'll explore everything from quick, often overlooked fixes to deeper system divs, ensuring you get back into the action, securing those S's and having fun with your friends. All right, before we dive into anything complicated, let's start with the absolute basics that surprisingly fix a ton of problems. First, give your entire full restart. Not just sleep mode, but proper shutdown and power up. Sometimes background processes or minor system glitches just need a fresh slate. After that, always try launching Valorant by right-clicking its shortcut and selecting Run as Administrator, just to make sure it has all the necessary permissions to get going. Next up, we need to talk about Riot Vanguard, Valorant's anti-cheat system, which is notorious for being a bit overprotective. Many launch issues stem directly from Vanguard not starting correctly or conflicting with something else. Head into your Windows search bar, say Add or Remove Programs, find Riot Vanguard, then try repairing or even reinstalling it completely. A fresh installation often resolves these stubborn anti-cheat-related hang-ups, allowing Valorant to finally launch. Outdated graphics drivers are a silent killer for game launches, so make sure yours are up to date. Visit your manufacturer's website, NVIDIA or Intel. Download the latest drivers and perform a clean installation. After that, open your Riot Client, click on Valorant, and look for the settings icon, usually near your profile picture, where you'll find an option to repair or to verify game files. This ensures no essential game files got corrupted, which can also stop the game in its tracks. Finally, sometimes the problem isn't Valorant itself, but your operating system or other applications causing a conflict. Check your Windows Update history and ensure you're on the latest version. Microsoft often pushes critical game-related fixes. Also, before launching Valorant, open your Task Manager and close any non-essential background applications that might be hogging resources or interfering, like other overlays or communication software. If all else fails, a clean boot can identify if a third-party service is the culprit, giving you a path forward.